Today we will learn some short English sentences which will help you speak English faster. Learning these phrases or sentences will make English much easier. Moreover, with these you can make many new sentences. These are very easy to remember, and the biggest thing is these are the ones we use all the time in our real life. So if you know these, you can speak English fluently. So let's get started. From time to time. From time to time. From time to time, I still think of her. From time to time, I still think of her. Stand up. Stand up. He got off the car. He got off the car. We will get down at the next station. We will get down at the next station. We have to take rest. We have to take rest. It is stupidity. It is stupidity. How about you? How about you? Have your say. Have your say. Keep your word. Keep your word. Time and again. Time and again. I read the poem time and again. I read the poem time and again. It is too small. It is too small. Too expensive. Too expensive. Stay inside. Stay inside. She smiled. She smiled. You were selfish. You were selfish. What can I do for you? What can I do for you? Let's go together. Let's go together. It is cheap. It is cheap. It's empty. It's empty. Take care. Take care. You tried. You tried. He is careless. He is careless. Come with me. Come with me. What would you like to have? What would you like to have? What do you want to eat? What do you want to eat? The food is tasty. The food is tasty. Don't be late. Don't be late. She is dumb. She is dumb. Protect others. Protect others. Birds flew. Birds flew. He is irritating. He is irritating. I don't know him. I don't know him. I want to talk to you. I want to talk to you. What's new? What's new? It will do the work. It will do the work. Don't touch. Don't touch. I tried. I tried. She is beautiful. She is beautiful. He is emotional. He is emotional. I need your help. I need your help. He is sad. He is sad. He is selfish. He is selfish. Be alone. Be alone. I spoke. I spoke. He is foolish. He is foolish. She is opportunistic. She is opportunistic. You will have to jump. You will have to jump. You will have to go now. You will have to go now. It is right. It is right. Keep distance. Keep distance. He is blind. He is blind. Be clean. Be clean. He is hardworking. He is hardworking. Do it yourself. Do it yourself. Hopefully, these sentences will help you a lot to speak English. Moreover, you can learn English fast. Practice these regularly. Because if you don't practice, you will never be able to speak English. So practice speaking English whenever you get a chance. Try to create more new sentences with what you learned today so you can speak English faster.